Good morning. We are from svsembedded. So the project title name is called Exploiting Bluetooth on Android mobile device for home security application. In this project we are using an power supply, temperature, and 16x2 LCD display. It's a character LCD display, and we are using 4 sensors. Those are temperature, fire, LDR, and smoke. And temperature, we are using LM35. It's a precious temperature sensor having minus 55 degrees centigrade to 150 degree. And here we are using one fire sensor. It's a photodiode, IR photodiode. Here we used one LDR. It's a light dependent resistor. So light falling onto the resistor according to the voltages will be varied. So here we used one MQ2 gas sensor, and it's a smoke sensor. So here we used an driver AC, cooling fan, and one buzzer. So if there is any changes in the temperature, the cooling fan will be on. If there is any changes in the smoke, the buzzer will be on. If the LED will be dark, LDR will be dark, the LED will be on. And we used one Max 232. It's an voltage level converter, and we used one Bluetooth module. It's an BTM005. Let us coming into the hardware session. We are using an transformer, it's a step down transformer, 9 volts output AC coming into the bridge rectifier in front. So after here we used an 1000 microfarad by 25 volts electrolytic capacitor. If there is any fake ripples, it needs to eliminate the ripples. We used one 7805 regulator. It converts 5 volts output. Those are the 5 volts are utilizing the Bluetooth module, and one 16x2 LCD display, and another one is Max 232 IC. So here we are using another regulator, that is an LM1117 fixed 3.3 volts regulator. So it was given to the ARM processor LPC2148. It's in total 64 pin IC having two port 0 and port 1. Port 0 consists of 32 pin, port 1 consists of 16 pin. It can execute 16 bit as well as 32 bit architecture. And we have two switches, one is ISP and another one is reset. So when we want to execute the program, we have to restart this. So it will be show that exploiting Bluetooth on Android device. So here we used one crystal, that is 11.0 12 megahertz crystal. This is the heart of the circuit for the microcontroller to execute the program. So here we are connected to the UART1. So here we used UART1 as well, UART0 as well as programming as well as the execution. So we used Bluetooth module BTM005. It's an trans receiver pair IC. So it can working under 2.4 GHz frequency having 5 meters distance. So that green color LED continuously blinking means the network is properly connected to the another Android mobile device. So here we use the first of all the temperature sensor. It's an LM35. It's an working 3.3 volts and one fire sensor. Here one LDR sensor, and we used one MQ2 gas sensor. So LM35 temperature, that output is given to the DC motor. It's a cooling motor. And here we used one fire. We are displaying on the LCD. So here we are using an LDR. If there is any dark, that bulb should be on. So LED will be on. So here we used one smoke sensor. If any smoke occurred, so it will be displayed on buzzer. I'll show. So I taken one doop stick. When I am giving on to the temperature, so you observed on the temperature on the LCD 34, 36. At the same time that Android mobile will also receive that values. The DC motor will be on. So if I am going for the smoke, see 200 and above, that it should be on. So if I am changing the LDR, that values will be coming onto the LED. So it is then continuously we are going for the intruder, vibration, motor. So as the application, we are going to increase the large number of sensors on the ARM processor. So we can go for the home automation or industrial automation. We can control many other applications. So if there is any doubts, let me know to svs embedded.